Financial knowledge is essential for several reasons. Personal finance. It helps individuals manage their money effectively, make informed decisions about saving, investing, and spending, and plan for their financial future. This can lead to increased financial security and a better quality of life. Debt management. Understanding financial concepts can help people avoid excessive debt and manage existing debts more efficiently, preventing financial stress. Investment. Financial knowledge is crucial for making smart investment choices. It allows individuals to evaluate investment options, assess risks, and potentially earn returns on their investments. Budgeting. Knowledge about budgeting helps individuals create and stick to a budget, ensuring that they live within their means and save for important goals. Retirement planning. Knowing how to plan for retirement, including estimating how much money is needed and the types of retirement accounts available, is vital for financial security in later years. Entrepreneurship. For aspiring entrepreneurs, financial knowledge is essential for managing business finances, securing funding, and making sound financial decisions for the business's growth. Economic understanding. A basic understanding of economics and financial systems helps individuals comprehend broader economic trends, which can impact their personal finances. Consumer decision-making. Financial literacy enables consumers to make informed decisions when purchasing goods and services, potentially saving money and avoiding scams. Financial resilience. Being financially literate can buffer individuals and families against unexpected financial crises, such as medical emergencies or job loss. Generational wealth. Passing on financial knowledge and skills to future generations can create a legacy of financial stability and prosperity. In essence, financial knowledge empowers individuals to make sound financial decisions, reduce financial stress, and work toward their financial goals, ultimately contributing to overall well-being and long-term financial security.